personal finance can be dull and even downright boring.
Boring.
But it doesn't have to be, and it shouldn't be, because it's so important.
It's essential.
That's where YouTube comes in.
Hello, YouTube.
In this video, we're going to look at 5 personal finance YouTubers or YouTube channels that make learning about your money and how to manage it fun and enjoyable.
All she talks about is money, money, money.
You might even find these guys and their channels downright entertaining.
Caught my attention.
I know I do, so let's get right into it. So guys, before I get into the top 5, I want you to know that these are my personal favorite YouTubers, and I did not put them in any sort of order. Now this list was rather hard to compile because there are a ton of great personal finance YouTube channels out there.
It's hard to choose, they're all so good.
Not to mention, if you do end up subscribing to any of the following channels we're going to talk about, you should also subscribe to this channel and my other channel, The Modest Wallet. Shameless plug, I know.
He's a desperate man.
Anyway, if you have no idea how much work it takes to start a successful YouTube channel, let me tell you.
Easy. It's not easy.
It is so much more than just talking in front of a camera and posting the video and getting thousands, if not millions of views. You need to find a good idea, do a ton of research, write out a script, get your different camera angles and lighting on point, record, find B-roll, record the video, edit the video, create a thumbnail, do keyword research, add the description and title, and finally post the video. Sounds simple, right? Now don't get me wrong, a YouTube channel can create an amazing source of income, but it definitely takes a lot of time, creativity, patience, and skill. There's actually what I call the SCE test. Is it a nice setup? So background, lighting, camera, do they have good content? Am I learning? What value do I get from watching? And finally, the E, is it entertaining? Are they grabbing my attention with their presence? Do they have nice B-roll? Do they have good editing? All right, I'm done ranting. Let's officially get into this top 5 personal finance YouTube channels of 2022. First on the list is Marko from Whiteboard Finance. Now Marko has just under 880,000 subscribers to his channel. Marko is always willing to
help you master your money and build your wealth.
He does that by sharing his passions for personal finance, stock market investing, real estate investing, and entrepreneurship. One thing I like about Marko and his channel is that he breaks things down very nicely, explains things by writing it out on a whiteboard, hence the name Whiteboard Finance, or using digital charts to give a better understanding. When financial news is breaking, Marko is very quick to pump out a video, giving his take on it as well as explaining further what is actually going on. Marko is relatable, quickly gets to the point, and is very informative, making him and his channel part of my top 5 personal finance channels. Next on the list is Stephan. Graham has more than 3.92 million subscribers. Now Graham started out as a real estate agent in Los Angeles before pretty much going full-time on YouTube. You'll often find Graham asking you to
hit the like button or subscribe if you haven't done that already. Plus, as a thank you for doing that, here's a picture of a puppy. So thank you guys so much, and now with that said, let's begin.
Graham now is great at storytelling and often shares his successes, failures, and experiences in the real estate industry. He does go well beyond real estate as well, and can sometimes be seen responding to other finance people or sharing how he saves money drinking his own coffee and eating avocado toast. You have to watch his channel to understand that one. Now, I appreciate Graham for his ability to almost bring you along for the story he's sharing, as well as almost bringing you into his life. His transparency in all this is great and is one of those key reasons why he's included on the list. Another YouTuber or personal finance channel to make the list is Andrei Jikh. Andrei has over 2.11 million subscribers to his channel. I actually started following him when he had less than 10,000 subscribers. When you watch his channel, you
come for the finance and stay because I have a ton of updates for you.
Andrei, like Graham for the most part, is a financial minimalist. When I first started watching Andrei, he was very transparent with his stock accounts, which I really enjoy. He has gotten away from that for the most part and is more focused on financial current events. Andrei also started out his channel incorporating a lot of magic as he discussed money because he used to perform in the magic industry in Las Vegas. He still does include some magic in his videos occasionally, but not as much. His ability to edit his videos with different eye-catching transitions is sure to keep your attention, which is a large reason he has made the list. My fourth personal finance YouTuber on the list goes to Humphrey Yang. Humphrey has over 793,000 subscribers on YouTube. I first discovered Humphrey from his account on TikTok. Humphrey Talks is where he does an amazing job explaining random, interesting financial situations. I actually find myself copying some of his short form videos because they are so good. Now, his success on TikTok transitioned over to YouTube, where he explains things in layman's terms, which I need most of the time.
What's up guys, Humphrey here. So what's the best investing
Humphrey has a very aesthetically pleasing setup or background in his videos and talks about current events as well as explaining important financial principles and how it relates to his own life and finances. Last but certainly not least, Joshua Mayo rounds out my top 5 personal finance YouTube channels. Joshua has over 152,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now, he might have the least amount between the others on the list, but let me tell you, he won't for long.
Today's video, we're gonna go over all 8 of my income sources.
His channel is experiencing crazy growth, and when you watch his content, you will quickly find out why. Like some others on this list, I started watching him when he had less than 10,000 subscribers. He talks about all things personal finance, more specifically stocks, how to make more money, and just overall money advice. What will grab your attention is his attention to details in his video creation. He films and edits his videos with precision in a way that keeps your eyes glued to his videos. This guy is incredibly talented and very willing to help viewers out. He will have more than 1 million subscribers soon. I can definitely promise you that. So there you have it. These are my top 5 personal finance YouTube channels or YouTubers for 2022. I want to strongly encourage you to check them out. You can learn a ton about making smart decisions with your money by watching these guys. Now, who did I leave off the list, or who do you resonate with the most? Please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Don't forget to help me out by smashing that subscribe button or following Gym Class Finance on all the other platforms as I try to talk about personal finance in terms that everyone understands. Maybe I'll eventually make a list like this someday. That's all. I'll see you in the next video.